What's up everyone, how are you all doing today? So for today's video I'm gonna change exhaust on my R3. I'm gonna show you in a minute. It's gonna go from the side to the bottom. I bought a Austin Racing shorty exhaust. We'll do the unpacking. It's not too big of a job, but we might have to take the upper body as well. First we will try with the bottom one. If that goes through, then we'll do that way. Otherwise we'll change it up and see how that works out. Alright, let's go and start with unpacking before we open her up. Let's go. Okay, let's unpack this and see what we got in here. Okay, so we have, thank you, and this would be the second one. This is the holding base, we need to let's see. This is the holding base, and then you can have your thing here. Unpack this. Let's look at this thing. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Austin Racing, pretty small, there's no baffle inside, pretty much nice. What else we got? We got our two pipes. So now let's hear the current exhaust. This is how the current exhaust is on the side. There is cat there. I'll take this piece off, then start working from back to the front or front to back. We'll see how we're gonna do. First we will see how this one sounds before we change it. So let's see how this sounds. I'm gonna let it run for a few seconds before I start revving it. It's not that loud. Pretty loud when you are like redlining it, but I hope the mic will pick it up. Let's see. Okay, so this is 5. First we'll take this screw off. Once this is off, I took this one off. This comes off. I'm gonna go and do the same thing from the other side. Once this is off, we can access everything from here to this side. Let's remove this. So these bolts are already loosened. I'll just take those off and we should be good to go for the second spot. You'll see here these 4 bolts, once we take off, this comes off. We'll have to unscrew on the other side and then this should come up. We can take it off easily from here now. For catch, we have one nut here. That should come off easy. This is off. I didn't want to take off the rear sets from here, so this is the nut which we screw we need to take off. This is connecting, holding it from the other side. So same side, same technique. This one is out, and now let's take the other last 2 pieces off, and then we should be good to put the new one on. Okay, I was able to take this piece off, and it should be off. We need to take this. Once sensor is out, this should come out like that. There we go. Okay, that was unexpected. So this piece is off. Oh wow, this is heavy. And then this piece is off. These are the pieces which came out. Let's go and start putting our stuff. New exhaust in there. You can see these are 2 pieces that look very similar. Once we have those pieces in, we'll put this Y inside. After Y, we'll connect this pipe, and then the sensor goes here, and then we'll put our slip on at the end. I'll start installing one side first and see how that goes for us. One of them is in. Let's do the second one now. Let's start putting for the second side. These are in. I'm gonna tighten them a little bit. Now we will add this piece and later on we'll add the springs. You just want to make sure they are aligned, nice and easy. Let's add this piece with the sensor one. Let's make sure this is on this side and these hooks align for our springs. You might have to play around a little bit to get this side. In this much. Now we will attach our sensor. Okay. That looks good. After some playing around and moving stuff out, I was able to put everything in. I had my track bodies on, which kind of were hiding this side, so I couldn't see before easily. I took that out and then I put it back in. I took this out just like, so I can work on with it better. I'm just gonna put this one back in there and then I'll show you from the other side. This is how it looks like from this side. That's where the sensor is. We got springs already there, that spring there, I showed you already. Now we will put our last piece on and see how that goes. Anything? I think we're done. Now let's go ahead and put the springs on. First one should be pretty easy. Done. This is ready. The only next step left is we need to find a way where we want to secure it with this attachment or something else. I have not thought about it where I'm gonna put it. I don't want to put it here anywhere, so I was thinking if I take this and put it somewhere there, we'll do that, but first we're gonna hear how she sounds now. I will go and fire her up. My mic is here so we can hear how it sounds at a distance. I have not decided where I'm gonna put the holder for this right now, but this is it. I love the sound. Thank you for watching.